Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the construction of the 10th floor building at 58 Halfway Tree Road. This is 58 Halfway Tree Road is basically a tech park. It has 5 units or 5 buildings. And what they did was Unit 1, they tore it down and they are putting up this 10th floor building by where Unit 1 used to be. Now the developer is Stanley Motors Limited and they practically own the entire tech park. And this building is going up at a cost of 12 million US and is scheduled to be finished in 2025. So this is the building and it looks like they're on track. It's a Chinese contractor, so they're moving very fast. Now this new building is going to be 128,000 square feet, 10 floors, 126,000 square feet, and 84,000 square feet is rentable space. It's going to have 44 parking spaces. Now the existing park, 80% of it is rented to BPOs. So with this building, they are looking at the BPOs but also looking beyond the BPOs to rent it. As you can see, the building is moving along very quickly. Looks like they've reached, I'm not sure if that's 10 floors. Looks like they've reached the height. Looks like that's the roof up there. We look at looks like it's at 10 floors. And it's located on off Halfway Tree Road. Or located on Halfway Tree Road, 58 Halfway Tree Road. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. We're just giving you a quick update on this building and we're going to be giving you updates on all the major construction projects going on in Kingston and around the island between now and the end of the month. We visited the Ascent site and nothing new, nothing has started at that site. It's practically down the road from here and the Ascent is going to be 27 floors. This building at 10 floors seems to be on average. You have a few buildings, you have some buildings taller than 10 floors, but the average height for buildings going up in Jamaica now is 10 floors on average. Now this building, they say it's costing 12 million US, so that will give you an idea of why that's the average height. So you can imagine how much a 20-floor building would cost, which is the Rogers, which is being built on Waterloo Avenue, versus what the Ascent is going to cost at 27 floors, and then what the Pinnacle building is going to cost in Montego Bay at 28 floors. So that will give you an idea of how much those buildings will cost. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe and leave your comments in the section below. Also, if you want us to make any videos, just leave a comment in the section below. We'll be happy to do it. Alright guys, have a good day.